Good morning guys, and welcome back in my shed. And I'm still busy on this Bmw F800Gt. What are we going to do today? Well, today we're going to do computer stuff. Well, computer, phone stuff, I think. Because I did a brake fluid change on the rear, a brake fluid change on the front, and now we're going to use the Motoscan app to get air out of the ABS pump. But guys, I never got any air out of it, because if you have a good bike and you did your brake fluid change every year, every other year, you know there is no air in your ABS pump. But because my daughter-in-law is not that an aggressive driver and she never gets the ABS pump into action, so every once a year I get that pump into action. Now, what are we gonna do? First, we're gonna take the body sheet off, and that's easy. It's over here. Hoppa. Carefully out of the way, so you don't scratch or damage it. Put it carefully over there. Over there is the diagnostic connector. We're going to open it. This is the Motoscan app, and if you have a Beamer, consider buying it. It's really cheap and you can do a lot of things with it. You can reset the service manual after you did an oil change, but you can also diagnose it. If there is something wrong with your bike, you can bring it to your dealer, okay, but you can use the Motoscan app to diagnose it, see what's wrong, where the fault codes come from. It's a must-have. Look in the links below in the description. I got all the tools and the stuff you need for this. Now, oh, that's one. Then we have the Unicascan UCS I 2100. Take it out of its cage. This is a Bluetooth interface. They also call it an OBD2 scanner. What's in the name? We're gonna put it over here. As you can see, there is a red LED, which means we got 12 volt in the connector. So that's already good, I think. Then we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Always wait for the Atari to finish his magic. Grab your phone. On my phone I have the Motoscan app. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Open the Motoscan app. As you can see, I have the Motoscan app Ultimate. Look over there. It's, I think, 50 euros. And you have a limitless amount of bikes you can service. You can reset the service reminder, do all the stuff. Also for your friends, easy. Take the cable and the ODB scanner with you and go to your friend's house and reset the service reminder on his BMW. And you get updates for free. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's move on. The first thing I always do is an adapter check. Open that, see adapter check. It finds the Unicar scan. Okay, present. Hop. And as you can see, 3 times ja, yes in my language. And it's green. Green is always good. Then we go back and we go to this bike. It's an F series, okay. It's a F800Gt, a K71. And then we go to the top. Anti-lock brake system. Please wait. First, we're going to read trouble codes. No trouble codes found. Then we go to service function. Bleed the front ABS brake circuit. That's what we're going to do. Now, a bit over there. Here I am. Bleed front brake circuit. Hop, a lot of stuff. Okay, you can read it whenever you like. Continue. Then it says, bleed the front brake circuit. During the subsequent activation of the pump, immediately pull the front brake 3 times in succession for 2 seconds until it stops and then release it again. This will flush the trapped air out of the pump. Well, I never had trapped air in there. Perform the operation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. How easy was that? And now the ABS pump for the front side cycled, and now we're going to do the same for the rear side. Bleed the rear ABS brake. Continue. Perform the operation. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And we're done. Easy as that. Now guys, maybe it triggered a fault code in the ABS. Who knows? I'm sure it didn't, but you never know. Read trouble codes. No trouble codes found. Easy. Then we're gonna go back and back and back. And we close the Motoscan app. Okay. Okay, you can put your phone away. Put the bike off ignition. Easy. Get the Bluetooth scanner out of the way. Take the box. So. Hop. Back in this cage. Then this one out of the way. Hop, into the box. on top of it, cap onto it. Done. Yes. Now guys, there was my video. How to check the front and rear brake of your ABS system using the Motoscan app. It's easy. It's quite easy. You can do it yourself, save a lot of money. And if you want the tools, I link them in the description below. Everything you need to do this yourself. I hope you like this video, and if you do, consider a subscription. I really would appreciate it, guys. And give me thumbs up. Always good for the YouTube algorithm, pushes my video a bit up, I think. Well, see you the next time. And for now, old mechanic out.